Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to publish a Power BI report to a WordPress blog. So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service here, and I'll go to my workspace to Excel and I'll open my report. And I've already generated the link, but if you were to generate it for the first time also, you'll go to more options, go to embed, and then you click on publish to web option. And it gives you this embed code. So it says HTML, you can paste into your blog or website. So I'll copy that and then I'll go on to my blog and then I'll just go to posts and say add new. And I'll add a title, new Power BI report or my Power BI report. And over here, I'll just paste the widget and so let's just do a quick preview on this. So we're just looking at the preview here and it is showing us the Power BI report embedded in my blog, and I click over here as well. So this looks pretty good to me. So I'll just go ahead and publish this. So you can see that it has been published. So if I click on this link, it will take us to that post, and you can see that on that post we can see the Power BI report. So in this video, what we have essentially seen is how to generate the code and then copying that code and putting it into our website post or the WordPress site post. And then we've essentially, all we've done is we've embedded that into the WordPress blog. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take up any other topics. Cheers, bye.